Hello everyone. Today I have for you more procedural modeling. This one really fun, but it's not for beginners. If you already know modifiers, you can easily repeat this at home. And here is just two objects, one base object and another cut object. If we turn off modifiers, that we see this is just planes, and with modifiers on we see that we have this complex shape. Why is this built with modifiers? Because if we play with vertex positions or extrude new one, we see that we easily can change our shape and make some more procedural and fun stuff. Let's cut this one, make bevel, make sharp, and we see that we have even more complex dashing. And just with little operations. So let's build next to this one a new object. I will play with a Speedflow addon just to make this process more fun and speed up. But you can see the modifiers I built on here, and I try to explain as much as possible. So now we after we build this object here, we need to cut shape from it. I just create another plane with solidify modifier, and Speedflow automatically give boolean to its modifier stack. What next? I need to select all edges and give a weight with bevel modifier. New bevel modifier now on top of solidify. I need go lower. I move weight modifier here. And what else? I need less segments and maybe increase width of bevel. Also, I convert shading to flat to better see what we got here. So we see that we already have this shape. Few more modifiers that we need is split modifier. Split we will use for middle lines. We will cut them by hand and place here a bevel weight. We see that nothing happened. That's why we need split modifier for this edge and place it on top solidify modifier. We see that our shape little buggy. It happens sometimes, but now we can easily change the position of these two lines. Okay, and we have this beautiful procedural stuff. Some more advantages that we can add bevel modifier. Boolean we can move boolean on this object, boolean move under bevel and give one more bevel modifier. So here we have this tag, and this object have this stack of modifier. So this how the shape is look like. I accidentally duplicate this object. Now let's align, move these vertices and let's extrude them, give some weird design, maybe this too, and we see that very easy. You can create even more complex stuff with profile in bevel. Now I have this custom profile in bevel modifier, and if we choose, for example, steps, we have this fun cutted hole for this plate. If we choose maybe this one, it's not so interesting, maybe this, and we see that we have some Barocco desing, and it's still flexible, it's still easy to change and fun to model. So if you like this tutorial, please subscribe to this channel, give it a like or dislike, place some comments if it's easy to use or work with, and maybe you have some suggestions. So thank you and see you next time.